subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Sony has launched the successor of the last year launched Xperia 10 Mark IV smartphone as Xperia 10 Mark V in the European market. Now let's see the specifications of the Xperia 10 Mark V smartphone. The Xperia 10 Mark V features a 6.1-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with a tall 21:9 aspect ratio, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass vectors. The phone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 chipset, paired with Adreno 690 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6 or 8GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the Xperia 10 Mark V supports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 48MP main camera with a 1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 120° field of view, along with the another 8MP telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom support. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the top bezel with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 13 out of the box, and it is equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 155 by 68 by 8.3mm, and it weighs around 159 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Xperia 10 Mark V has been priced in the European market at €449, and it is set to go on sale starting from mid-June this year in black, white, sage green, and lavender color options. So what do you guys think of this Xperia 10 Mark V smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.